you need one main product and two upsell, cross-sell products. So we had the anti-cellulite cream as a main product, then the anti-age as a sales bump and also upsell, and the third one that was the scrub cream as a cross-sell. We did more than 30,000 orders with an average order value of 87 euro, with a total sales of 2.5 million and more. And we manage direct campaigns, so through our media buyer and some affiliates, some of them so we met here before. We run those campaigns. And we had 3 products. The main product was an anti-cellulite cream, and I suggest you to start with 3 products. It's enough. You need one main product and 2 upsell, cross-sell products.